Episode for higher GC News. Mima Uya Kwaba, Hadia latest and hot news. Mqua era mede Bremo. Enunti so nyan subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say be subscribe. There be an say be click the subscribe button na wa belly notification where is a new video be upload no when the first person I want sa ebe kan sa video afi uya na wa like video give us a thumbs up na afi share ma ofofroso na when you be here na wo hu ensemo a ekoso e wo Ghana memu harom afi yehwe ye ensemo a abeto ye pono so yenti ye sankomo yenti sansemo ya ekoso yi mu yenti
ejuma oye nu yi a you employ Ghanaian, and that is why I agree with many people say His Excellency is not come to victimize anybody, but there should be a caveat over there. You are promising Ghanaians say oral no de omampenyi wo de yiwe ni free so enya we djuma wo de hwe se na wa appointees no be djuma ma NDC form penyifo ni Ghana mmra no enya oral no operation do what operation recover all loot. Yes, enu de ye be ye pa because Bachi, can you imagine say a year of a year's expenditure on free SHS no omuka say 2 billion tio 2 billion na say 2 billion na Kenoforata no to be catch as Ghanaian say 52.5 billion no the taxes are Kaishi commercial bank. The money has been transferred into unknown source. Based in there, why won't we call Kenoforata to come and show us where the money has gone to? Because this 25 billion Ghana cedis no say a fan 2 billion a year no. Do you know how many years? 25 years. We have money to finance the free SHS. So if we can trace some of this money, that would be so good. Look at this thing, Governor of Bank of Ghana, churning out 60.8 billion. Eddie Breyer say, oh, enuni sika iraye. So we look at all these things, say, how can we manage in all these aspects? How can we manage? Now, ye Gigi Sas scanner. You bet to me the affair ama yen koda kusku papa na mesre. Ye papa se tekpe wakasa manfo kasa misusu ne misren ni se baby aye do se no even we don't have the power yet, we don't know how much we owe. Ebi aye Gigi Sasika na osi budget cannot support. Yes, we agree, but there are some monies lingering somewhere. Say age intinu se no ne ye sre no ye binu sre no se send your time Mahama Tiase no he's been able to create the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund. He's been able to create that economic buffer called ESLA. He's been able to create that economic buffer called Sinking Fund. He's been able to create that economic buffer called the Exim Bank. Exim Bank. Enisika ewomunu. We should be thinking along that line. Say you catch Ghana for say, oh, this COVID levy ayeji, COVID levy ayeji. Let us change it to support our children in school. So let it continue to come. But we'll take this money to support our children in school, because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say he is coming to consult Ghanaians on the issues of free SHS. In the second and fourth peninsula say, oh, let us continue to take the what? The COVID levy, no? That money could be used to do what? To support our children in school. We need to give our children a very befitting education. Nipa no koskwa onim say yes me kosku enye ne ye no traffic light akoda be kosku akotina 1 month now betina fie 3 months. What is the sense in that? The quality of a Ghana's education is actually gone abyss in this government. So these are some of the issues, sir. As I will say, how can we do it? So Honorable Setekpe, this is why we should. Yes, we know, as a professional, sometimes he is trying to test waters. Do you get me right? You may try to test waters. But the promises we have given Ghanaians, is not to test waters. Say, to me. We promise that we'll do it. So, as a professional, what we can do, don't tell us some people should be in a day school and I am finding in a day school. No. Body no. And how can we fund it? We have all that can help us to support such projects. We have a lot of minerals. And then I can go anywhere now. But we say no Bruno to catch Ghana for say yen to me be commercial and big minds, but obibe to me aframa no nya bebie ewo man we should think outside the box. Now we say, how can we solve this problem and solve it well? Can for that ababe wababe adi VAT 2.5% national health insurance and then 2.5% get fund. Oh guys are now they collateralize and cap it. So can we look at those figures? Those figures, the 2.5 for year, can we look at a chunk that can go into this senior high school funding? Those are the things that Ghanaians would like to hear from you. Even to the university level. Ghana, for if you are serious and you give support to the government, why can't we fund our children in the university? So we don't have to be crying wolf whilst we don't even know the quantum of debt that Nanado's government is leaving this country. Ya titi say MPP for bin muka kra say Omati say MPP for say no credit papa no ankasa former MP or see omo free committee a obeba na Ghana for afa esika akobie oil wells ewo Guyana. Yeah. Can you imagine this?
Yes, can you imagine we cut down?
Can you imagine this? 77 billion ye printed man and in 2022, 2020 So these are some of the things that we should be looking at, because anything, I know a lot of people have said, but anything we do against free SHS, we should be sure that it will not go well with us in 2028 elections.
All right.
Kumasefo, Michira Santi. Edie ebufuo nko because papa Baumia Obawa ni nyan drum mane behia no dom no a ehia no nyina achi na dom no nkoto aba
ekuro bi efe na motachi kuro ofa na kuro no eboya akwalati man fa ne sanchira panyi so na panyi so eti man fa ne sanchira akwala so na ofa de bebre ni mi se kuro bi asante kotoko eye asantimam kumasimam so wo kira wo bebra ye kira wase aba na ekoto ye no ni dipa e dia to so no so wo kira wo a kira wase masire manim so mamu na mitiri abato na mkoto ye ofa bisami akaka metimi aka
masire manu mamu na mitiri mu na no eye de no
sa ofa ye kabia oso wonte ene wabo ye fi tanduku
okay efe
ana wo kira wo kira ye ti sa wo kira wo kira ye ya ba siri ye ni enso so ye mu na yitiri na be abato no so a ye kwa kira wase ono ne de esi wa santimam samia kakra miti yaka
asante kan de yi ena abayantie
ofa we de ma me fa konya na me fa ka asem bi en se abatwo no mu ekoso no a na nsem bi twagu na kwasi a wabu se meyi anu na mo sisu asa na nsem o twagu ni se o asantimamu adikroti ama NDC mon hu modern ni se ya na abatwo no nya krojin se bi kura akokama ne ka se eya ni ewia mu wasantimam efa cho ewia babia mu wasantimam percentage ya NDC nya ye 33.something%. That percentage no se sebi emu oli amrafra flokra na omu kan ho ha a omu nka me se no a uye mu hwehwemu kura tichemu kura omu nya kura broso eye be 10% to 12%. And to 33 more, the other cano, Sante, and the my additional. It's almost about 3 regions and 1 or 10 regions. And I said, you move you, a cassette voter region. Onunti, so when you be a Mawasia, Unyai and Unibunyai. Now, Sabi, Yatik Romano. And you've been a back catcher. Asante for say yen tontini na sabi yenu moku yenu sentinel de na ofa sabi do odani jahu ene hu se de asese no fa ɔno nti na meka kyerɛ sɛ aba no a ɛkɔto yɛ no ɛyɛ mamuna manim masiri manim nam tirim ana enipa no ne di agoro ɔka bibia na wo kyerɛ ho kyerɛ no ɔka bibia wo so ntie ɔka bibia na abɔ na kutia na wo ka nsɛm a eni mu kyerɛ no enti abato no tu yɛ no ɔmkɔ kyerɛ sɛdeɛ ɔmbɛkyerɛ wasiase afa sabi ɔno wɔte sawia no aban yɛ project wɔ sawia wɔde na asase wɔntia ho ka wɔde asase na ma wo sɛ fa yɛ project ankasa bi asase no obetumi atwitwa atɔn ɛso so wɔntwitwa antɔn wɔde ama aban wɔte kɔnɔngo asase na da hɔ no ɔfa obetumi de ayɛ adwuma obetumi de ama na de hyeɛ atena so ɛso so wɔde ama aban sɛ aban fasi hospital fama yɛ na sɛ saa nneɛma no nyinaa keka wura mu a ɛduru mmerɛ so ɔkɔto aba a ɔfa ɔbɛhwɛ hospital no aka wura mu no aka sɛnea hɔ no aka kɔnɔngo hɔ no aka kumawu hɔ no aka afari hɔ no wɔde akɔ akɔto aba
oba na sa afari kaka akra bi no mawie almost
aba na afari no ɛyɛ no wasen ɛyɛ no wasen ebi di ɔte ma nso ɔso ne kwan ɔka galamse a etu ne kookoo egu ɔbɔso a ɔso wo fi no enti ɔkɔto aba no ɔbɛhwɛ saa no man de akɔto aba ɔno ne bɛ ekosi wɔ asantemam sabi asante kayo ɛyɛ ne bebrebe bɛsɛ
na saa galamse yi a wɔken ɛnyɛ wɔn na etuo
ɔba obiara ni hɔ a ɔte ne kurom adwoodwo anaa ne kyimfe ɔte sabi kanya kɔbɔ ɔte manso a ɔwɔ the capacity so obetumi de atu galamsey obiara ni hɔ saa capacity no ɔtumi atutu fam koraa kɔ fam ɛyɛ sɔsɔ a obenya de atutu fam na ɔde ne kookoo ɔtintim ne kookoo nti obiara ni saa capacity no yɛn nyinaa yɛnim ɛnokora no ɛpɛda bi a nsɛm no wɔka ne pii a na agya abɛbɔ wɔ a na agya abɛbɔ yɛn nyinaa nsɛm a meka yi menka mfa meka ma ɔno nti ɛna ma yɛdi kakra a na to me bo ase na me ne wɔdi nkɔmmɔ no nti sɛ wobusae wɔ asantema mu a sɛ yɛdɛn na abatoɔ no kɔɔ sei a ɔfa yɛnyini no na yɛwɔ kasa bi na yɛwɔ fanom wɔ kasa bi me a wo ne me di nkɔmmɔ yi yɛwɔ metu UP abusua mu enti ne yɛwɔ saa kasa no ne yɛwɔ kasa bi sɛ owura Rollins na amamuo mu ɛyɛ ne ministry amamuo mu obedi asantinya ne yɛwɔ saa kasa no ɔfa mmerɛ kɔ n'anim no na mmerɛ sesa ɛnɛ na wɔfa ase junior ɔno wɔnim Rollins enti wɔnim deɛ kɔɔ so wɔ Rollins amamuo mu ɔfa mpata watie
metie
obi anso so ne wɔfa akwasi Emmanuel so ni ho nkɔmmɔ nkyerɛ ne bio prisa me nankasa no mebu ahasuo no mapɛ bibia bi tinya afe na mbɛka saa asɛm no akyerɛ no na meka kyerɛ no koraa no maka boakye matres akyerɛ no a ɔno boakye matres wɔnim no onim apia me nka no enti wɔnim ɛna wɔamɛto apia me nka factory sɛdeɛ dɛ si teɛ sɛdeɛ boakye matres factory teɛ enti sɛ wo sɛ Rollins abɛgu no a ɛdeɛ na wɔde bɛyɛ enti deɛ me wɔfa ase junior nim sɛ sia no yɛ mprempren deɛ wɔbɛdie ama fufuo no a wo si yɛyɛ no ɛso so abɛto no ɔfa mpatɛ wate aseɛ sabi CHS a yɛka ho asɛm sabi sɛ nyɛ asantema mu nko a ɛyɛ ade pa yɛn nyinaa ani gye ho na tie adeɛ a na ɛwɔ hɔ paa wɔ CHS no ho sɛ maame no a wɔno wɔho CHS ho mfasoɔ no n'ani agye ɔbɛto ho aba na mmom ɔma mmienu mmiɛnsa bi wɔ hɔ wɔma kɔ CHS no bi awi ba wɔkɔ wieyɛ no wɔma bɛtena fie ate wɔn ani so enti maame no deɛ wɔhu so mfasoɔ ɔkɔto CHS aba ba ne ma no mmiɛnsa no a bɛtena fie no CHS no wɔkɔ baa yɛ n'ate n'ani so they said the origin who you do obedie entika inland port na you ready and you do makoto ho from free sectors no when you do obedie enti aba na kai free sectors na aba na kai inland port so adwuma no no dia to aba na sabe akomde ni wono onya for the free sectors enti na ma me to free sectors aba no so omo me ansa no so cancel free sectors aba no esi wo asantimamu no abato omsanete central market yakam yesi central market amaye ofa yeti na krom ha me na na afia kwadu alatafo gada na odie oto tinkaro ofa tinkaro de me ka ye mrantel be bromu ni
eye eduru a yesi ye de eyi na esen ye de anka twade na esen so mimu eye a so onya minimu yawa wo de ya otafre ne ko ena ye obabi yesen bo so ena tinkalo no so no empompo gitimi di twa ho ebe pai sesi a motu empompo ene pai eye adwuma papa ena ayi jepim ye won so so tinkalo
na ofa tinkalo papa no na firi emrayem ene ponso na neba aha na me na afia kwadu onu tinkalo ane akachade ya ukai any tomatoes bini afrano kitinkiti mi afrano amonchim moro se bibisa
amonchim moro
ha wonu no to ye no de hwe me wo fa ambassador otia dabo any me ma me no mom tutu kwan enti godie ya dia asante ma ye tutu no ase ana wa ba ba kana di gagu o forukrum krofum wusi anwe ne sisi wo aman kura ya branche ye si so amutonton paboa nyina abom afete omu hu ano ya saka omachi asako ka central market agu ayabu achi bidi da ho yebesi ebi afa ho awu ya maami mu nso na hwefie patise power no ewo ya maami no mu ma no ho ewo enua ma no mu ho ya maami no di gana ja omu sesi a omu hwe ye enti okoto aba wode wono na ekoto aba so atiatie enti onu ne ensemu a eda ho na sa nsemu enu me giri se na ye o ka nipa benya so na nipa atie ofa nka sabi emu amranti egu krom han enne bia ba hwe adwuma amranti ndu wo fa asefo no bebre etitinkes omo titinkes
asa onu
ofa bia ba hwe sabi asi aye wo mo fi sabi udi bibi abonsam ba opa na sabi enkola wo bibi yo omo free SHS mu free SHS ana omo di so mfaso ana omo ba fie ana inland port ye bie Isawia hospital ana indirect jobs ye ne dey qualify no obenya clinic bi aye ye ne dey qualify no obenya drive bi atwi ye bie kono ngudie ye bie afaridie na ni nyina ye adwuma
okay fm
so manti e benya adwuma aye from part what you say
me too
nti ema ni ye ka no na nya obi ni ye ka no woni yi omu ntina ni ye ka koduru ni sa eso so wo ka enipa no atumi kura no tumi na sisi na so ye be saudi ye be twataro amu akwaye se nkura de wudi agyebi no obi na asoma wo se bra beka enti obi na beka kire me se me ntonchini ni na manuma kunna nkyina de enti ofa abato ekoto ye no eho resource no eno no
na ye hwe campaign no in general
ofa mama ka sembi fa amo na me di na ka sem ofa amo nyama ni ne sanwo na mo mi bo di na me ka sem ofa sawni Michael Schumacher
ai
ewia na o na nim ka twie
pa
na ofa Michael Schumacher si hoyi okofa no ba na o ma ne Land Cruiser na se Land Cruiser no enye papa ontumi ntwi mfa nko ba bia
are ko akoto atwene
obeto atwen kenti amanyo sam no eya amanyo kuo no ana wote so na de wako opanyi bi akwati movement percentage ni achichemu a amsa ne de no kura wu mebua na so kanya me ye nya sa opanyina dum wote amanyokuo ya MPP ne so a enka bo hu ni percentage se de besi aye anti political party and the vehicle e de yakọ for success na sa vehicle no prepare ni ye car no enye engine nye un change oil no seat wo mu nye ase no ekasa shock absorber se won nyina anya of a wo de mama ko sumeka on timi fan kwa transi ma ne ye and it's a party no ya hode a no matter the flag bearer out in baba what the bo be lose
na dia na chese party no ni amode
aha she ofa me ana me bu baby me ka say ekobi ni afa na motachiku ekuro no boya akora ntima fa ne sanche panyisu na panyisu ntima fa ne sanche akola so fizie nyina di hufo ofa amanyo ko na efra ne MPP no ebre bi baaya amanyo ko no beye se eni pakuma bi ani abusuakuo bi adia yanka no kora na obi antie bi na ade a besi mu kina na ma ne dadi na koye se ni pakuo bi dia pa ne se yen nyina ye kohia wotamale akoto aba koyi national chairman koyi national secretary ya baya enipa 11 tino kwotena ase ka se sa ni parliament ni wo mu yadwuma ani yedi wo mu twene anu na di huru pa kese be se obia wo kuonu so di dwuma wo kuonu onu ti sampanyufo no menka omo yaw yeyi wo mu twene omuli
omadi nso omu tia party mra na party ni ko so kodi nkunim
ofa se eto bia wan wusen sabi empanyifo tie me fantem ete se ball asuda anana ntwibili owu ani na wo asia no dia fo ana ebrenu na ebrum sa brenu no na se de Ghana fo abufuo si wo soro any indicators am e wo ho no ekwa bia so no na aba e wo ho no ho afu nipa na sa aba no wo no so wa se twa ni 8 years so asa so entino na se de asia tia bia no na obekọ again no so bia nipa ye fini se sampa nyifo mienu ayi wo mo twetwe asa de be yi wo ma to atwere no no ma twetwe esa na wie esa no ma twetwe wie sampa nyifo ni be fi wo no na ya police station sampa nyifo ni be fi wo na ya premise ade ayi wo mo ade wo mo kwantokwa ni nyina enti na esa no ma twetwe wie enti ya huru effect no papa na amanyokuo a esesha no amanyokuo no enye just an event a process amanyokuo a process efriko na akọ no ye de akoya nim akodu ma bi adi kodu no enti abra bi a wo kyekere sa no enye da ba akọ pa ne de kyekere sa ya fa da ba akọ kyekere sa wono de wo de da ba akọ kyekere sa e bedwira gu enti ya wo effect no na mo effect a me kan ni se yeyi sa panifo no to twene yen edi hu be se obia o sa be ye panyin e wa amanokuo no efri se sabi babia anansi atena ama bibi ato no ntekuma on tena se bia na se enti akoye se ya be ye panyin enso so yen koka ye di koye afoko di koye kwabra no ye di bi ato ye eti ye nyina ye hwe ne din ye hwe ne hwe ha ne nko ono ne ofa results ayewo enne a ye te ho ehu esu no ofa party no na ese prepare na enya ho de sonko na kofa power ba ene ne say che me ka sa semwe emra me nya akonya na me kwa national organizer ana me ka say ofa che wo plan this you tawo plan this you yes almost strategy almost the bar back to me a role for some people who are a former MP and a former minister and offer me patch of mebwa
ani
101 civil resource on the study almost pay then so one perform badly as a national chairman e you no the person and one money anya neck to neck our parliament 137 and offer mebwa and then this year more than a chance, sorry. I know what class to call Momu said, Debbie. Yan said, yes, say a party, Yan. And to go far over Sedu Katia. Already said over Sedu Katia, so see a former member of parliament and a former minister. And one is to go through apprenticeship. When you said yes, you need about constituency. And when you said yes, you lose about constituency. And one was a general secretary. Also, so why a former MP, a former minister. Also, you said yes, you lose about, and he said yes, you need about. And now, for you, one would it to me, I could see a party in the party and control woman. And now we have 2 minutes of how we change our parliament. About that,
Mekaba,
what was the far as a resident Katiani 50 quarter? Because I said, one will crop to me, no more crop power, no more just a party, and I prepare, irrespective of why now, said you sit here. Said you know, Haruna, Ilusu. What Peja could do? She may be a no Ramutaka, a Peja could do. Necessary party in the control. What I was to send you a party in the control.
Oba, Nanda Samson Musumu.
Opa, yeah, so to sort it. Quiet last minute, no, so to sort it.
Quambeso.
On remember how, Wadaroma. Send you and come on Anila. Ofa, Oma Quiet.
Mate Twasso.
Aha. And Jamie Person, Mr. Sudiana said, what idea a dance song between MPP and NDC. Now, NDC a very strong political party, a very strong political structure. Yes, you have individualism, control. Some few cabal before say, the Yanwa, as I said, the Yano. Now, and compare him, Anna, MPC. Maku 88 efiri na katre say open your finance minister that your dear cool and yet yes no party did not want behind the scenes party did not to me na ko siaga sabiemu owe so katia as a national chairman of NDC as a 50 quarter National Secretary of NDC. One to me first had your team for also. If it's a very strong party. And the party in the control of a main story being killed. I have someone the brave.
Okay, FM.
Already I could flow a baby idea. Anna, the dinner was so Obiania J. Kufama. Back where we are, and we're fair party, no say, or pursue Musia. And I was sorry, a single so people who cost your party for. Okwan was citing examples, Bebre, and we are Bebre say, they say that here, and Tino party the leader, why by president, party is the leader of the government. All the commodity Nana, Yura, BJ Rocha, after the old Tonkono, after the Ontian. Ora, George Kuku Pharmacy, and no friend or coffee. Offer to a responder, said a joke for Jesus, or to coffee, or to offer. Coffee, or to papa. Coffee, or to papa, to the first say, or some presser. Or to take your government, let us take our party. Papa, but I would tell you,
Beat you, pa.
express a sarcasm. Now there was a strong party. As party, no, it can control. The members know a war by mono to support no and a woo are buying. Now, yeah, one more much buying the control party no. Only at the crop party no for joy and say, yeah, what minister be or no party in the structure or no chairman or to one or no national secretary to officer. Now, appointment no, one party no, now we say, you were chief executive or also move party structure no. Or the constituency crowd, party constituency chairman, or show or new more to say, wouldn't say, see, the such a chili far, yet the such a chilabaya, yet the such a party, dear. Young Kobe, or no, any resource, other clear in print. And to offer, oh, Busamia, Yako Kuma, now your party now hold you, Canada, Canada, yes, you're not my consumer can knock at them, as a part Canada engineer. ne car nye ne carburetor nye yes say oil no enti car no e kwa na twetwe mu e kwa na twetwe mu ono ana ma ndc fo be say ho de be win election eno kura wo hono no
mati
ofa maka over the years say you be practice you be sha yen say constitution no ofa MPP constitution enya kura o party ni constitution enya kura what na bonti a uhu ni se sabi aye se kwaye ukoye party ni constitution mu a empra hin na se nipakuo aye nyina ya di agenkro wo bia individual fie ya ba form party na tumi ni si ewo yensam de bia se tumi ni ye conference ene ekoyi ya kandifo na ye koyi ya kandifo wi a na constitution no asa da no ho bia boni se na koyi ya kandifo na wi no se ye nyempa bibia nipa mienu miensa enan enum ensia enwotwe akoswa edumienu etimi tiankan esesa de mo nipa dom ni nyina akoye yem na no ne so faso ne sei enti ofasi e pani ye dia empempen ya wo fase me the proposal bia beto abonten de bi kan no yen say your party no constitution no often so matin komo bi ofa matin komo bi say yen ye your party ni na sikasemu a eya na koso wo police station ne abatro mu no yen sia no kwa ofa ono de goni beka say e need get solution uko biamu sesia the infiltration of other political people kwaba be your party no na offer your party no your former MPs wo ho your former MDCs wo ho your former ministers wo ho and your former appointees also so wo ho ebi your CEOs ebi your former board members ebi your council of state members and your former constituency executive national executives of a do right here more voting rights. Not there be a here park essential police station will offer. See a person a stop at the my time about police station. Number of police station. Number my police station offer. Party in two. Now you have former police station executives. And you now also voting rights. Of a Nancy woman idea work in the say. So my former police station for no now voting writer. Anya obi akono sa abonu a ewo police station wono okwa ya mafia bi wom ni akoto aba anajo be 2 and 3 ti se de si ajoso no obi ene ho obebon ho mmode obebon ho mpemta so okoya sa bio because enipa no wa fa kwa paso ankoyi ni kura na yi ni totwena e sa o voting right oba be to aba oba ne sa so obi a will not feel neglected our party no again no sa ni prayer mabobo so no so no our identity can be assured. So when we are young people form a part. And you know, so therefore we to say over some point. Something region, what the regional secretary for so many years. And now party could take decision to about only say the constituency only say but see myself regional executive former regional executive so we are a voting writer. And the man who kaka obi say say ya na film no obi ade ne dia ba ba party no na ya dia peda party no aba aso so ofa ade ba ko mi hu ye
na ye fancy down for na ya to asbre na ye bi why last one
ofa me dasi
say for last one bra na
ofa me de ma no sie no ade ba ko so here party na di party ni ya aye ye communication officer no a
okay
ye point me yan to so aba of a room right here to swaba. Maybe communication director na kwese but will be take. Your communication director see over the years meaning if you don't constitute near Roma Betna. Now or to one will be bidding. On one casa one dinner. As a party near me a communication director no swaba. Or not to know who says Sammy Jumfi or Casa. Now Mohammed near the president Bawa Munkari. I didn't say Gunechi. Because Sami Jamfi is an elected officer or Kasama partner, a partner to be. Now, when you be a very miracle, what kind of communication director no crashes?
But to be fair to him, now communication director Emma Yura Baumia a campaign.
aha
ntinye party mpacho
ofamo minimpa ono na ma sa conflict ne ba yem
Okay.
Ono oye communication director to Owura Bawumia. Owura Bawumia no obeka no na communicate. Na nya dia party no na gina kono. Party no na gina kono. Party na wo Owura Bawumia. Party na gina kono. Se party no eno ma koso constituency a. Se party no ma koso original. Se party no ya college koso a. Enya Owura na Akraboade na communicate. Eye se Richard Ahiambo na communicate. Wo de Owura Bawumia koka na bia yes Owura Bawumia koka asem bi na obe chechiri na mom no ekwaye se
Basa communication director Richard Ahiagba okonya accident na for a long time on kasa
opampacho okonya accident no se no deputy o deputy if you want to be accused and okonya accident ni accident kan yankopɔ so wan campus so for sabai the pastor what you say after you organizing structure no so baye organize the agenda juma no ho and wa ko dani MC e di running mate chi wa dani MC wa ja organizing juma no ho and who is controlling the youth organizing unit no who is acting the women organizing unit no the omo baye wa ja ho wa lose focus enti so wu ya afei no empanyifo no bianu no a omo ye product aye ya ji omo to omo wo duro aye nim so meti ndi tumi ama omo ba na empanyifo pa ese nke do omo nim the so rap Dangote unhu no na Dangote a wo nim Ghana nyina na ye de Ghana crash ne tam na tete region sama ye no ye empanyifo ba wo ni wo machi ni akofi fankwala bi satellite fo kwala bi black materials fo bi edi bi akire kono de ye fan ko wini work up etwofa make jadi mi twitwa so yentia
yenyebe ebe na
yes nyina no fa anya si le blemu ba ye nyina anya fonso ampu na ye wuru se ye ntwasa ni ye onti na medi ka bu pe no se kro no boy ya panyant ma fa ne sanchi akwala so akwala ma fa ne sanchi panyi so na mom no quickly no yan ya for antumu na they make a through at the police station no e ho na ehu no ya ma former executives ni na ento ba ni bi ho na kisa dia na e kwaya so bi ko CV abon no mo akoyi ni perfume no because ena no koyi ni perfume kura so obato aba enti nyansa bi ani ya ma empanyimfu atiti fie ahia yi o mo film se ko fia na ne mu nyina no why former minister former MP and the party ko take decision onu no nti and ya change here so and that party ko to about in here so oni say oni voting right o bi say Owura Kwadwo Mpiani na the party ne take decision wa Asante region a former chief of staff sabi o kan bi obi am recognize no na ye ni say dia say this for so Owura ta ho mo kasa ta ho mo won ke transition ku won so Owura ta ho mo masa ko form aba adi agbe na nke fese ya beti transitional team na Owura Kwadwo Mpiani dinam
okay
so no man na eku ya party no na yebo bi dia ya no so ye hu abeka
Eva Godua wadawma yemfa nsi ha na yenim se nkomo na fe na ahya ase ye nso ne ye mu anti na ye
mu ti ye ofa yenta obi
mate
ete kan ko tira danfo enta danfo agro
yo waiting for winning and someone abeto yepno so because so we can subscribe to channel idia but more than say we subscribe we say hadia latest and hot news and kwa era me de bro I think we are like video no give us a thumbs up not fi share ma of so na we be here na wo hu someone ekoso wo Ghana me mu harum also betimi a kire wadwen afa ye nsem we nyira ho wo comment box ni mu wo beti me nka biom in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.